Right, my volunteer shirt. Boondocking, last door to your left. Bracelet class through the double door and then make a left. Boondocking, last door to your left. Which one are you going to? Easy Solutions? Hello, do you need help? Boondocking, last door to your left.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, what are you?
Memorial Hall East.
Memorial Hall East. You are here. What is your topic? Advanced solar or learn what your health insurance does not cover?
It's to practice for the Live Riveted that's taking place later.
That's in here.
In here?
Thank
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, you're not in my sheet. I am so sorry.
That's all
You're
right.
on your own. Boondocking or Easy Solutions?
Solutions.
Solutions. First door to your left.
Thank you.
Boondocking, last door to your left. Easy Solutions, first door to your left. No, classroom 2. Easy Solutions or boondocking? Boondocking, last door to your left. 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 Boondocking, last door to your left.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is me volunteering. So I'm a little loud. Just a bit. Boondocking or Easy Solutions? Boondocking, last door to your left.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So that's going to be around here, also over here,
Okay.
and that's 425. The distance economy is going to be 300. It's actually going to be here across the street.
Oh, okay.
And then the off-grid is boondocking, and that's 195.
Okay. No, I think we were doing
Yeah,
that,
we're
right?
doing this,
On
yeah.
site.
Okay. And what day would you like to arrive? The
So
rally officially starts on the 22nd.
That's the Sunday, right?
That's Saturday.
That's Saturday.
And you can come up to 3 days early for an additional $50 per day.
We'll come in on Saturday.
Okay?
Yeah.
And that's something if we've got up until about 6 weeks before the rally. If you'd like to add extra days to that, it'll still be $50 a day. If you wait past that, it turns into $75.
Okay, I'm going to turn it off now, but that is Amanda.
Hi, Amanda.
She's talking about the Minot Rally in North Dakota.
Why not? Why not?
Minot? I never pronounce any of the cities right,
Why
especially if they're Indian. Oh, dear
Oh.
Lord.
Yep, it
In
is
North
Minot.
Dakota, there's going to be full of those Indian names,
Yes.
and I can't pronounce any of them.
Tell me about it.
Are you going?
No, I can't. I have a caravan tour. Oh, deal with her first.
Okay. So I'm going to run through the cancellation policy.
These two have been volunteering since I got here on Wednesday. It's wonderful. Hello, how are you? Oh, thank you.
If you are into an art or issues, you should subscribe to my mom.
Yes, thank you. I actually do need one. I already went to the UPS store 3 times.
I know I have a showman.
All right, here's the woman responsible for filming me.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi there.
Hello. Do you mind if I put this on YouTube? Do you mind if I put this on YouTube?
I don't care what you do.
Okay.
I don't care what you do.
I love you. I know. You have my attitude. That's why I love you. Hello, what are you selling?
I do hematite jewelry.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's to bring good luck? No.
So yeah.
Hematite, there's a...
Yeah. So
Asian-
it's magnetic. So the properties are designed to help with arthritis and sore joints. The main reason I kind of got The main reason I got into them was
Are they for big wrists?
So they're 8 inches and they're designed to dangle. So for bigger wrists, they do tend to fit perfect.
Inside.
Yeah, they're all about 8 in. They're all 8 inches.
Sorry, I'm thicker than that.
Nothing to be ashamed of.
No.
Hello, my friend.
Hello.
Look what I bought.
I love it.
Wonder
Perfect.
Woman.
Yes, you are.
We'll see you here.
I won't be there next year. I'm going to Wyoming though. We'll be in
You know when
Wyoming.
we go to Wyoming, I will be the president.
of our club, so it's
Well,
a 70th.
congratulations.
I don't want to be the president.
I didn't want to be on the board. I'm on the board now too. Oh, nice to meet you.
It's the
too.
last day. I wanted to say hey and goodbye, and
Nice to meet
hope
you.
to see you again. We'll see you in the videos.
Yes, I will be in Wyoming. If you
Okay.
if you decide to go to Wyoming, make
All
sure
right.
you say howdy. Walter will be in the cashier. Actually, I don't know. Walter will be volunteering more than I do.
Yeah, good for him.
Yes,
That was a pleasure, mate.
likewise.
Yes.
Hello. Nice to have met you.
You too. Safe travels back west.
Thank you.
I was saying to Blair.
Like your hat. With the washer dryer in his.
No kidding.
Yes.
How about that? I heard about you.
Oh, I'm doing well.
Awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, welcome back.
Doesn't the man have sold me my first hot dog? This is now hot dog number 8.
Oh, are we ready? Awesome.
Hot dog number, okay, 8. This is number 8. I've had 8 hot dogs from you guys. Plain hot dog, well, hot dog, onions, jalapenos, and then the spicy mustard. If you can wrap it in the paper and the foil, that would be great. 2 years.
Yes. Wyoming, baby.
Yes. What?
Bring your fishtail next time.
My fishtail?
You're a mermaid.
Oh. I don't have a fishtail.
You have,
need one.
You got two years to have one.
I'll think of something.
Has always been simple: to create an event where everyone feels welcome, where there are seminars and activities you're excited to participate in, and where there are plenty of opportunities to meet new friends and hopefully meet your next best friend.
Please join me as I proudly present to you the leadership of our great club, the International Board of Trustees.
I'm going to close off the rally videos with Dan, the banjo man. It's been wonderful. He's been serenading us all week.
That was the winder slide.
Thank you.